All right, we made it to this place called Browning's in Manila, Utah. It's just a little diner recommended by a previous local that lives in our area.
My coworker.
Christy's co-worker. So we're gonna check this out. See, it's got the best burgers in town. Probably this green door right here. First things first, we gotta figure out how to get in here. Oh, here's a door right here. Nope. What the heck? I don't even know. We're just gonna wander around and figure it out. Well, that's pretty cool. Check out this old phone. Right there. That's super cool. Hello, hello. There's the sign and the snow that we're dealing with today. We're in this cool restaurant
I feel like I have it.
called Browning's in Manila, Utah. Got some lake trout on the wall there, elk and deer, pronghorn. This cool little fireplace, little lake trout, antelope up there. Wow, pretty neat little restaurant in the corner of town here. I ordered the jalapeno bacon burger. I hear it's really good. All right, there's my jalapeno bacon burger. There's the chile verde fries.
And I got blue cheese burger.
Blue cheese bacon burger and a chicken strip. So this was a hand-breaded chicken tender they bread here before they cook it. Just have to comment on these hand-patted burgers. It's freaking awesome. Homemade pie right out of the oven 10 minutes ago. What do you think about it? You already snuck a bite.
It's really good.
Really good. Alright, this is my kind of place. Check that out. Heck yeah. Alright, we just had an amazing lunch and dessert at Browning's in Manila, Utah.
Yep.
And I talked to the owner. Her name's Peggy, and our waitress for the day was Venessa. They did an amazing job, amazing food. It was excellent.
Thanks, Allison.
Thanks, Allison, for the recommendation to come here.
Yep.
She's a past employee and resident of Manila. So pretty cool. Highly recommend coming here. And it's right across the street from the headquarters of the Ashley National Forest, which happens to be the Uinta Mountains. Love it. It's a pretty gnarly trail because it's pretty far down right there.